Let's face it, no one likes to wash their makeup brushes, and these days it seems as though there are so many brushes and so little time. Until now. Introducing the new 2X Sigma Spa Brush Cleaning Glove, designed to completely change the way you wash your brushes. Its advanced and newly raised cleaning textures and easy-to-turn double thumb transition will do all the work for you faster than traditional methods. The microfiber glove adds necessary comfort, and the high-tech silicone provides advanced durability that guarantees a long-lasting use of washes. The 2X Spa Glove is the most complete brush cleaning system available in the beauty industry, and believe it or not, it's actually fun to use. Let's get started with the eyes side. Step 1. First, add a small amount of cleaning solution to the eyes side of the glove and begin massaging your eye brushes into the center of the glove in a circular motion to build bubbles. Try washing approximately 10 eye brushes at a time for faster, more effective results. Step 2. Rinse the brush with back and forth and side-to-side motions on the rinse section. Step 3. Add a little more cleaning solution to the refined texture and massage your brush in a back and forth motion. Step 4. Move the brushes to the new Refine Plus texture and massage them in a circular motion for a deeper cleaning, making sure the brush is finely swirled on the texture pattern for best results. Step 5. To complete the cleaning process, effectively remove excess water from the brush using the shape texture by pressing it between your thumb and index finger. Moving on to the face side. Make the quick transition from the eye side to the face side of the glove easy and effectively with the new and exclusive double thumb feature. Step 1. First, add a small amount of cleaning solution to the face side of the glove and begin massaging your face brush into the center of the glove in a circular motion to build bubbles. Step 2. Rinse the brush with back and forth and side-to-side motions on the rinse section. Step 3. Add a little more cleaning solution to the refined texture and massage your brush in a back and forth motion. Step 4. Move the brush to the new Refine Plus texture and continue the back and forth motion for a deeper cleaning. Step 5. To complete the cleaning process, effectively remove excess water from the brush using the shape texture by pressing it between your thumb and index finger. So there you have it. The solution is clear and effortlessly clean. Try it for yourself and you will be amazed with the results.
The PMD uses a rotating disc embedded with aluminum oxide crystals. Aluminum oxide is the same material widely used by the professionals. The rotating disc exfoliates and removes the top layer of dead, dull skin, which acts as a barrier. This allows the body to generate new skin cells. The PMD vacuum suction also activates the skin and increases circulation. With the barrier gone and increased circulation, your expensive skincare serums and lotions will penetrate deeper to do their job. The results? Newer, softer, smoother, more vibrant-looking skin. Smoothly glide the PMD across the surface of your skin. As you do this, you will feel the disc and vacuum suction resurfacing your skin as seen here. The appearance of fine lines and wrinkles will fade. Your skin tone and texture will even out. You will experience immediate results and long-term benefits.
I'm so excited to see what's going to happen next because this is how I know my face. It's a new face. It's a whole new face.
You actually see a difference and you feel a difference.
For the first time, Illuminage introduces a completely new way to fight aging with intelligent textiles using copper technology. The skin rejuvenating pillowcase and eye mask with copper oxide. Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Copper is naturally found in skin and known to play an important role in skin's natural renewal process. With its ability to promote natural growth of proteins, copper oxide embedded fibers interacts directly with your skin to improve its appearance. See smoother, younger-looking skin in as little as 4 weeks and with a continuing effect over time. Slip the skin rejuvenating pillowcase over your favorite standard or king-sized pillow. Wear the eye mask every night to achieve the best results. One size fits all. Our intelligent textiles work while you sleep with advanced skin science to minimize wrinkles' appearance. Both products are safe and non-irritating to the skin and are washable. Wake up to smoother, younger-looking skin. Illuminage is the new intelligence in skincare, and it's just the beginning. For the first time, Illuminage skin rejuvenating socks and gloves fight the earliest signs of aging on hands and feet. See a reduction in hand wrinkles and age spots, and smoother, suppler feet in just 4 weeks.
Hi, I'm Danny Fonseca, and I'm here today to introduce to you the newest innovation in airbrushing from TEM2, the SE50 airbrush. This new airbrush features continuous airflow and a single action trigger. The continuous airflow feature means air is always flowing through the airbrush. You can use it on any TEM2 compressor, the S1, the TEM2 Air, or the 2.0 compressor. It's also compatible with any professional airbrush compressor, so long as it has an 1/8-inch threaded fitting. As a beginning airbrush artist, you will first be learning about complexion, foundation, highlighting, and contouring. The SE50 gives a slightly wider spray, which is perfect for this type of airbrush application. You'll find our SE50 airbrush in an assortment of packages designed for seamless integration into your kit.
For the easy removal of hard skin, Scholl has developed the Velvet Smooth Express Pedi for soft, beautiful feet in an instant. For optimal results, your feet should be clean and dry. The surface of the roller is covered with tiny microgranulates that remove excess hard skin quickly and easily. Turn on the unit by twisting the silver collar. To remove dry, hard skin, glide the Scholl Velvet Smooth Express Pedi over the affected area using light pressure and even strokes. Continue doing so in smooth, gentle movements until the hard skin is removed and your feet are smooth and soft again. After every 2 to 3 seconds of use, turn off the device and check the results. Repeat the process if required. The Scholl Velvet Smooth Express Pedi has no sharp blades and is equipped with a safety stop. The device will stop immediately if too much pressure is applied. When you've finished using the device, rub your feet down with a damp cloth. Doing so quickly and easily removes any dead skin that's been left behind.